I do too. I wish them the best. Okay, right now, the very latest following Kristen Stewart's apology for cheating on her boyfriend, Twilight heartthrob Robert Pattinson. Steamy shots of 22-year-old Stewart in Us Weekly locked in an embrace with her Snow White and the Huntsman director, 41-year-old Rupert Sanders. Us Weekly's Bradley Jacobs helped break the story.
You can see that Rupert is nuzzling Kristen, holding her tightly. In another photo, Rupert seems to be kissing Kristen's shoulder and neck, and Kristen's actually holding a LA Dodgers baseball cap, which we've seen on her boyfriend, Robert Pattinson's head.
News of the affair spreading like wildfire.
There's trouble in the Twilight Zone. A momentary indiscretion.
She issued a statement of regret in the wake of a cheating scandal.
New York tabloids couldn't resist. Trampire screams the New York Daily News. Vamp Tramp reads the Post.
Many words being used to describe her today are not words that are good for her career.
Crisis management expert Ron Tarassian says with a scandal like this, Kristen had to get out in front of the story.
Making a public statement, it's really something which is unorthodox. It's not the first time it's been done, but she really has to address, look, there's photos, there's pictures. Who knows what else is out there? I, for one, don't believe that they only kissed in a public place a few times. By her coming out and saying it, she's being very aggressive. She's doing something which she would have had to eventually do anyway, and I think it's smarter to do it today than to do it in 2, 3, 4 weeks.
Stewart and Pattinson had always been quiet about their relationship until yesterday when Kristen publicly acknowledged the affair and her intense love for Rob. Many Twilight fans devastated and venting on social media.
And I thought it wasn't real, but it's real. I can't believe she would do this. I feel so sorry for Rob.
Also said to be devastated, Pattinson, with reports that he's moved out of the Hollywood home they shared.
Ironically, Rob and Kristen have been getting closer and closer the last few months. Sources tell us that Rob had actually been making plans to propose to Kristen.
Late last year, I asked her if her Twilight romance made her think about settling down.
Did it make you feel maternal or long for a family or kids?
I did really like that, and yes, absolutely. I can't wait, but who knows?
And what about the wife betrayed? Sanders' wife is 33-year-old British model Liberty Ross, who actually played Stewart's mother in Snow White and the Huntsman. The couple have 2 young children together. More in Us Weekly on Stands Now. Stewart reportedly writing a letter of apology to Ross after her public apology yesterday to Pattinson. And Liberty told You magazine just a few weeks ago that when she and Rupert moved from London here to LA for his career, she felt isolated initially. And, quote, I would never say out loud that I am raising my children alone, but a lot of the time it has felt like that.
It's so tough because she was